What is the journey from this 1 crore to 100 crore? What steps should I start taking from today so that I should have a definite 100 CR kai plan whenever it is. So what timeline should I be keeping for myself, and what strategies should I follow when it comes to my investments?
Got it. So I think how markets have performed off late in the last 3 years, if we remove that, then the annual growth rate in equity markets per se, and I'm talking only about equity markets because that has been the best market which has performed off late, at least in India, apart from gold. But frankly speaking, if you look at that, asset allocation is the best strategy always. Now, if I'm looking only at equity markets, how quickly can I double my money or triple my money will be only on the basis of the tenure of investment that I'm fixing at. Now, if you look at your entry point in 2021, which was where Sensex was around 27,000, and if you would have invested right then, which was the lowest of lows in the last 10 years, and now if you look at Sensex, which is going to reach around 1 lakh, you've tripled your money in no time, in 3 years. So that is an off-case scenario, frankly speaking, because that is roughly a CAGR of 35 to 40%. But if you look at what markets have been from inception, generally the CAGR would be around 15 to 18%. So if you take it at 15% itself, you can look at doubling your money probably in next 3.5, 4 years.
Okay.
But then if you are only in looking to double your money come what may, so I think the best strategy is to keep 70% of your money as per your asset allocation strategy. उसमें आप जितना पैसा secured point of view से रख सकते हैं in mutual funds, in equity stacks, where someone else is doing the analysis of which instruments you should be invested in. Do that, which should be around 70%, and the balance 30% can be your own plays, where you can decide that I want to pick up this stock. Okay, this is a company which I truly believe in, or probably you're privy to some information and you want to take a bet because your analysis says that this company is going to do really well. That is another way of probably doubling your money.